In this lesson, we are going to solve this quadratic equation. A quadratic trinomial, because it has three terms. The leading coefficient is 1. That is why I can write it as a product of two factors. The first term of these two factors is x. But how can we find the second term? To find these two numbers, to find the second term of these two factors, it is enough we find two numbers that the product is this constant, negative 36, and the sum is the coefficient of the middle term. But what are these two numbers? To find these two numbers, it is better we list all pair factors of 36. 36, 18, 12, 4 and 9. 4 and 9, you are going to use them, but be careful about the sign. I wanna use negative 9 and positive 4. Negative 9 times 4 equals negative 36. Negative 9 plus 4 equals negative 5. Therefore, these two numbers are our answer, negative 9 and positive 4. And as you know, when the product of two factors is 0, at least one of them must be 0. Let's set them equals 0. X minus 9 equals 0. X equals 9. X plus 4 equals 0. X equals negative 4. These are two answers of this equation. If you want to check, we can check these answers by substituting them to the original equation.